here at Truck Access Plus in Phoenix. We got a 24 Tacoma where we installed the side steps and the truck bed cover. This is the new style (2024) Tacoma. We got the new style BAKFlip MX4 all installed. They have made some recent updates this year to this cover. Let's check out the main differences. To start, you lower the tailgate just like all the other ones. Release the cable here each time. Nothing has changed there. If you recall, the old styles used to have a relocation kit for the existing track. They got rid of the relocation kit, so it just installs directly into the existing bed rails. The cover feels lighter now, but it's just as heavy duty. They improved the latch mechanisms here, and they also got rid of the elevate bolts. Those tend to come loose in the past, so they've made some good changes. Visit Truck Access Plus. If you're watching us online, truckaccessplus.com. We do free shipping on our bed covers. We have them in stock, ready to go. And we also do same day install. If you're in Arizona, come by our store and we'll help you out.